In the first step, go to our webshop and buy the Cluvo Learning Progress extension. As soon as you have completed the purchase, you will find the purchased extensions and the corresponding license keys in your account. Log in with your username and password. Go to the purchase history. Now download the Cluvo Learning Progress extension and copy the license key into the cache. In the next step, go back to the backend of your WordPress installation, install and activate the extension. Finally, we activate the new extension with the license key. You can do this in the Cluvo settings in the respective tab. Now copy the license key into the field and click on the Save button. Now I will show you how to configure the display of the learning progress for trainers and users. In the first step, we go to the WordPress backend to the menu item appearance and then I click on Menus. We now insert the index page from the Cluvo Learning Progress section into the existing menu. Then I give the menu item a new name and finish this step with the Save Menu button. Now we switch to the Cluvo User Management in the Users tab. In order for a user to get the view of a trainer, this user must be promoted to a trainer in the desired group. To do this, simply click on the desired group and on the icon Promote to Trainer. We show you how to create groups, edit them, and add users in the course video tutorial 3.0 User Management. I have added the link to the video description below. Then we'll take a look at the view as a user together. I'll register for this in the Academy. To see my learning progress as a user, go to Learning Progress in the menu at the top. I immediately get a simple and graphically attractive overview of my learning activities. I do the same as a trainer, change the view again and log in as a trainer. Again, I select the menu item Learning Progress. Now I get a clear and structured presentation of my learning group divided into users and modules. The different graphics and data can be configured very easily. We will soon show you how the whole thing works in the next video tutorial.